with our amazing, beautiful models presented with all our students.
कालिका स्टील की तरफ से एक हमने कॉलेज कंपटीशन रखा है जो कि सिविल इंजीनियरिंग और आर्किटेक्चर स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है। पूरे महाराष्ट्र लेवल के स्टूडेंट्स आज फाइनल इवेंट के लिए यहाँ पर करीब 200 स्टूडेंट्स अलग अलग जगह से आए हैं।
सोच है, उनके पास जो कैलिबर है, उसको कहीं ना कहीं प्लेटफॉर्म तो मिलना चाहिए।
I would like to go here with some DNA generated out of these competitions today evenings. Knowledge the subjects and professions, whatever subject you choose, environment, landscape for the architects or the urban designs, for the students, construction, management, concrete, get the knowledge, become the profession in that ones. Innovations and creative minds, already that is been conceived in your mind, I have noticed it today.
The professional speaks that these days creativity is really declining, but when I came here I really found that this kind of competition can really motivate the creativity amongst the students.
I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Kalika Steel Group for organizing this remarkable event. Your collective dedication to fostering innovative and supporting the next generation of engineers and architects is truly commendable.
Kalika Steel, thank you so much. Thank you for organizing such a fantastic competition. You have given the students not only a challenge but also a playground to create, explore and sometimes question their sanity.
Our complete process is designed to run in an eco-friendly way. We have achieved zero discharge in the environment. In the past 20 years of our manufacturing history, we have saved more than 25 lakh tons of CO2 that would have been emitted by if we had opted for the traditional iron ore route of manufacturing, which is equivalent to planting 50 lakh trees over the last 20 years. And it underscores our dedication to protecting the planet. Kalika Steels has been at the forefront of advancements in the industry. These technological advancements give us the part to be the only mini steel plant in India with the state-of-the-art slitting technology from the German giant Siemens for prime movers.
आम्ही MBB कॉलेज ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर अँड सेंटर फ्रॉम डिझाईन नाशिकमधून आले आहोत. आम्ही थर्ड इयर डिझाईनचे स्टुडंट आहोत. आमच्या प्रोजेक्टमध्ये आम्ही 2 ग्लोब्स दाखवले होते. एक जे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर इनोव्हेशनला प्रमोट करत आहे आणि दुसरा जे नेचरला डिपेंड.
We are from Shri Prince Shivaji Maratha Boarding Houses College of Architecture, कोल्हापूर. समुद्र मंथन हे एक मायथॉलॉजिकल इव्हेंट आहे. ह्याच्यातनं इन्स्पायर्ड होऊन आम्ही आमची कन्सेप्ट घेतली होती. 2 पॉवरफुल एनर्जीज, फेमिनाईन एनर्जी आणि मस्क्युलाईन एनर्जी, डिपेंडंट बट अपोजिट, यांना आम्ही कंबाईन करून एक आर्ट फॉर्म, एक स्कल्पचर तयार केलेलं आहे.
We are Team Steelscape from Maharishi Karve Stree Shikshan Sanstha's Dr. Bhanuben Nanavati College of Architecture, Pune. Sustainability was our past, is our present and is going to be our future. It is not just a trend but our reality.
I would like to conclude with one line from a Bollywood movie. जब शक्ति, सद्बुद्धि और समृद्धि सभी माता है, तो मर्दों को किस बात का पता है?
It is my privilege to extend a heartful vote of thanks on behalf of Kalika Steel A sincere gratitude to our esteemed guests for gracing this event with their presence. To our judges, thank you for lending your expertise and time. Your fair evaluation and constructive feedback have not only recognized the students' effort but also provided them a valuable insight. I would like to congratulate all the participants, especially as you have traveled to Jalna today. Your creativity, dedication and hard work making these models from steel that showcase sustainable development goals have been truly inspiring. Let's continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with steel and beyond.